Morning students, this is class 5th, subject English grammar, topic sentences, and this is our lecture 1. Now in this lecture all of us will learn about sentences. First of all, we will learn about meaning of a sentence. The meaning of sentence is a sentence is a group of words which has some meaning. Yes, a sentence is a group of words which has some meaning. Now read the following. Boy is he a. This is a group of words, but is it giving us any meaning? No, it is not giving us any meaning. It is simply a group of words. Now we have rearranged the words in a meaningful order. Now read the next. He is a boy. Now, is it a sentence? Yes, it is a sentence because it is giving us a meaning. Now read next group of words. Loves to eat ram mangoes. Read it again. Loves to eat ram mangoes. Now it is a group of words, but is it giving us any meaning? No. It is simply a group of words and not giving us any meaning. Now we have rearranged the words in a meaningful order to make it a sentence. Now read it again. Ram loves to eat mangoes. Now it is a group of words and it is giving us a meaningful sense. Means Ram loves to eat mangoes. So is it a sentence? Yes, it is a sentence. Now while writing or framing a sentence, we have few things to keep in our mind. First, a sentence always starts with a capital letter. Next, a sentence always ends with a full stop or with a question mark or with an exclamation mark depending upon the type of the sentence. So, we have to always keep these things in mind to make a sentence or while writing a sentence. Now after learning meaning of sentence, in this chapter we will learn types of sentences. In our book, according to class 5, there are 4 types of sentences. And the first type is declarative sentences. Declarative sentences are the sentences which make a statement. These sentences always end with a full stop. Yes, these sentences are the sentences which make a statement and these sentences always end with a full stop. These are simple statements. Now, we will read few examples to clear this. Funny stories are popular everywhere. Next, ants are always busy. And third one is Ram is an intelligent boy. All these are simple statements. So all these are ending with a full stop. Now we will move on to our next type of sentences. Our next type of sentences given in our book is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask a question. In these type of sentences, a question is asked always. These type of sentences end with the question mark because in these always questions are asked, so all these end with a question mark. Now we will read few examples to clear this. First, where are you going? Second, have you seen a cobra? Third, whose bat is this? Now, as you can see, all these are the questions. So, all these are ending with question marks. Next type of sentence is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are the sentences in which any command is given or any order is given or a request is made. These type of sentence always end with a full stop. Yes, these type of sentences either give commands or orders and requests are made. These type of sentences always end with a full stop. Now, we will read few examples to clear it. First, blow out the candle. Second, please come tomorrow. In first, command is given to blow out the candle. In second, it is a request made by you to come tomorrow. And all these are ending with full stop because these are imperative sentences. Now we will move on to our next type. Our next type of sentence is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are the sentences which make statements with some emotion, some sudden reaction or with some feeling. These type of sentences always end with an exclamation mark. Yes, all these type of sentences always end with an exclamation mark because in these a sudden exclamation is shown. First, how well she dances. Second, what a fool he is. Third, what a shame. All these are ending with an exclamation mark because all these are sudden expressions and these are exclamatory sentences. So students, always, all of us judge our learning by doing some homework or by doing some exercise. Now I am going to assign you some homework, and our homework is to arrange the words to make meaningful sentences. Our homework is to arrange the group of words to make meaningful sentences. Now I will read you out the group of words for you. First, want ice cream and the boy. Wants ice cream and the boy. Second, to God he everyday prays. Second is to God he everyday prays. Third, watched last night a video V. Watched last night a video V. Fourth, is he going where? Is he going where? Fifth, a goal to score Anand is going. Fifth is a goal to score Anand is going. Now you have to arrange these group of words to make meaningful sentences, and don't forget to end these with their proper punctuation mark. And these punctuation marks are full stop, question mark and exclamation mark, and all these you will use according to the type of sentence. Now we will meet in our next lecture with the homework solution. Bye. Thank you.